If you've ever tried updating your Roblox billing address and realized there's no obvious button for it, don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your billing address in Roblox for 2025 using two simple methods. Stick with me because the second method is the one most people don't know about, and it's the one that actually solves the problem. Let's get right into it. A lot of people assume there's a billing tab somewhere in Roblox settings, but here's the truth. The closest thing you can adjust directly is your email address, and for some users, that's all you need. Start by clicking the gear icon at the top right of Roblox, then head into settings. From here, update the email connected to your account. Once that's done, any billing related info gets sent to the new email. So in some cases, this works as the billing address update Roblox allows. But if your email is already verified, or if this doesn't actually update the physical billing address tied to purchases, then you'll need method number 2. And this is the method Roblox support expects you to use. Open your browser and type roblox.com/support. Here's what you need to fill out. Username. Make sure it's accurate first name. Optional, but can help email address and confirm it device. Pick the one you use the most. For example, PC. Now under help category, choose billing and payments. Then for the subcategory, select I have an issue with a purchase or anything similar related to billing issues. In the description box, clearly tell Roblox what you need. Something simple like, I would like to update my billing address. My current billing address is incorrect and needs to be updated. The new billing address is your new address. Submit the request, follow any follow-up instructions they send, and Roblox support will manually change the billing address for your account. This is the official and most reliable way to get it done. And that's it. Quick, simple, and it actually works. If this helped you out, hit that like button and consider subscribing for more Roblox tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.